My name is Mary T. Newman, working with Native American Ministries in the Tennessee Conference. We are working on Native American recipes, and one of our favorites for everyone is frybread, of course, but Wojapi, which is a berry sauce. Depending on where you are geographically, you'll have different kinds of berries. I'm using Maine blueberries. They're small, but you may go out west and find chokeberries. And sometimes when there's a big gathering, they may add strawberries to the mix. So when you make this Wojapi, you wash your blueberries, put them in a pan, cover them with water, and let them start to cook down to make a sauce. And you can thicken it with cornstarch. Some folks will crush berries, but I left these whole because they are small. And that Wojapi is going to be cooking while we do the fry bread. A lot of folks will pour it on the fry bread, some will dip it, some folks will just hide it so they can have it layered with pound cake.